And then, how to open this Toyota Prius car's bonnet, because this is always important, and for that job we have to now go in cabin area. Okay, and now we are in cabin area, and there is steering wheel, and then when we look in here we pull out this switch, and now bonnet is open. Okay, and then when we open the bonnet, we have a little bit lift that up, and then install one hand in here, and second search in here, small switch in here. And let's go to look at how we found and find the switch. Okay, in that way, and first hand really lift up a little bit this up, and second hand search in this another. First one is in here, and second switch search in this area, in here. There's small switch. This one switch what we have to lift up, and then this bonnet opens like in that way. And now we can see the switch there. And when I press that switch up in that way, then this bonnet release to open. Excellent. And now bonnet is free in here. Okay, and then when this bonnet is free, we have to install this support this bar in here, that we can keep this bonnet up. Okay, and this support bar is in that side, and we take that away in here, and we install this bar in the specific area in here. And let's go to look at area. And here is really arrow, and this thing goes in that hole in here. And when we a little bit move bonnet up, now it's like release. Good. We can repeat that thing, that we a little bit lift that up, at the same time we install this hood in this position. This is the trick, and then we check that now bonnet and hood is secure.